Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a poll on Slack. So first things first, you just have to simply log into your Slack right here and then locate that specific channel or group where you want to post or create a poll. So for example, if you wanted to create a poll on this channel, all I have to do is tap on this text box right here and then type slash. This time you have to look for apps to add to this channel or add apps to this channel. Click this one. It will take you directly to another page. And all you need to do here is to search for this specific application. And the application is Poly. So you have to type here Poly. This is what it looks like and tap on the install button right here. Click the install button, wait for a couple of seconds. Tap on Add this to Slack, wait for a couple of seconds, and once done, then tap on Allow. Now go back to your Slack or to your specific channel and then type your slash. Then you have to type Poly and you should see this create a poll right here. Tap this one. You will have your option on what type of poll you want to create. Is it multiple choice, survey, and so on? But some features right here, it's not for free. You need to upgrade your plan in order for you to unlock this. However, there are also templates here that are for free. So for example, if I'm going to tap this one, I can see here options that are for free or category that I can use for my poll. And all I have to do is to click this one right here. And then basically you can just use the one that is for free. You can add questions. You can change the question right here and add more choices. And then once done, you can now add this to your channel. And basically that's how easy it is to create a poll on Slack. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.